This video is sponsored by Hard Work, because that's how you get cool places in life. Okay, so it might just be a Gen Z thing, or just in my community, but at my high school, we crack our knuckles non-stop. We're kind of obsessed, I think. I'm trying to figure out why. It's pretty satisfying listening to the pops, and for some reason, it's super addicting. Like all things that bring us joy, our teachers hate it, and I don't really blame them. We'll be sitting in homeroom sometime way too early in the morning, and someone will crack their knuckles. Then, like a chain of dogs howling at the moon, everyone else who engages in this bothersome pastime remembers that they haven't cracked theirs in a while and will do so. Hearing 20 or so people crack their knuckles at the same time sounds like a tree crashing down. And of course, listening to a tree fall over every 20 minutes can get old. Fast. So, do you and your friends crack your knuckles? Comment below and share with anyone who does. See you next week.